Dry cough that lasts more than 3 weeks can be very dangerous. Inflammation in the lungs or respiratory airways causes you to cough badly, and that cough will be dry if it doesn't carry any mucus or phlegm. Along with dry cough, you can have fever, fatigue and dizziness. Irritation in throat makes you feel like there's something stuck in your throat. Dry cough can be a result of cold flu or other viral infection, asthma, bronchitis and exposure with dust, pollen or allergic fragrance that irritates your lungs or airways. Dry cough go away itself within few weeks, but what you can do is to drink as much water and warm fluids as you can. Use of honey can relieve the throat irritation and reduce your coughing. Eating ginger can reduce inflammation and open your airways to breathe easily. And in the last, peppermint may give you pain relief and reduce the intensity of coughing by treating the sore throat.